Hi guys, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to change system tracing buffer size on itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, here in your itel S15 mobile phone, you'll have to do is go to settings. Here in settings, scroll down again and go to system. Here in system, scroll down again and find the developer options. And the developer options is not show or turn off. To show or turn on the developer options, you'll have to do is go to about phone. Here in about phone, scroll down and go to build number. And okay guys, to show or turn on the developer options, you'll have to do is tap the build number 7 times. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You are now a developer. And okay guys, go back and you can see the developer options here in system settings. And okay guys, you'll have to do is go to developer options. Here in developer options, scroll down and go to debugging section. Here in debugging section below, you can see the system tracing. And okay guys, you'll have to do is go to system tracing. Here in system tracing, you can see the buffer size. And okay, you'll have to do to change the size of this buffer. Okay, tap this and the pop-up are show. Okay, now you can see the option. So you can change the buffer size into 4096. Or you can change into 8,192 or 32,768 or 65,536. So okay guys, I decide to change the buffer size into 32,768. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully changed the buffer size into 32,768. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.